everyone! Happy to see you all again. Thank you for all the support and encouragement. It really means a lot to me and makes me strive harder to continue this journey I've started. Now, our topic for today is about different kinds of fruits. Please keep on watching! Episode 3: Different kinds of fruits. Apple, pianggo, pianggo. Mango, suana, suana. Orange, siam, siam. Grapes, puto, puto. Watermelon, sique, sique. Banana, ginjo, ginjo. Pear, laya, laya. Pomelo, yu, yu. Peaches, towa, towa. Coconut, ya, ya. Mandarin orange, cam, cam. Pineapple, onglay, onglay. And now, let's go back and review what we have learned. Apple, pianggo, mango, suana, orange, siam, grapes, puto, watermelon, sique, banana, ginjo, pear, laya, pomelo, yu, peaches, towa, coconut, ya, mandarin orange, cam, pineapple, onglay. By the way, do you know what is fruits in Hokkien? Fruits, keji, keji. Before we end, our message for the day is Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Him who strengthens me. Thank you for watching and hope to see you all again on my next video.